Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. If you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and stay up to date on all my new videos. So this video is pretty much an update for my fellow subscribers. I've been MIA for the past 4 to 5 months, and I really had a little dilemma going. So I graduated college middle of last year, and I was just thinking to myself, I spent all this money on college, should I get a job in marketing? And I was thinking about it for a long time. It was really tearing me apart, but then I just realized I'm a CPA marketer. I'm an affiliate marketer. This is what I do. I need to go all in with it. So I just dropped everything and I started investing in some high ticket training courses, and I've been learning so much in the past few months. And now the results are starting to show, and I'm going to be teaching everyone what I've been learning. So it's very exciting. So as you can see, today is January 17th. And this week, from January 11th to the 17th, I've made $2,074 in revenue promoting CPA offers. And I've been promoting all types of offers. There's about 4 right now that are contributing to this revenue. Anything from skincare, weight loss, to survival. I've been testing a lot of new offers, and I just wanted to give you guys a channel update to kind of show you that I'm back. So I made the $2,000 this week, and I've spent, a little over $800. Here's my Bing Ads account. I changed my business model with Bing Ads. I used to go for the 5-cent clicks, but after investing in all these training courses, I realized that 5-cent clicks are nice and they're still possible, but they won't get you to the clicks that you need to be profitable enough to have $100, $200, $500, $1,000 days. You got to up that ad spend because you'll get more clicks, more impressions, and more revenue. So that was one of the big things that I learned in all the training courses that I've been buying, and it's been working. You can see right down here, I got about 6 active campaigns. I've spent $832, made $20.74, so around $1,200 profit this week. And I just think if I can keep this up, times that by 52, that's over 60 grand a year, I think. So, and that's just with some offers that I'm testing. So I need to keep on expanding. And let me show you, today was $382. Let me go up here, click today. So today I made $382 off $90. And let's go yesterday, $152. Let's see how much I spent. $152, and I spent $119. See, this is back in the day, I would never spend $100 to make $140. I just wouldn't do it, because when I made all the 5-cent videos, 5-cent click videos throughout my channel, I was a broke college kid, so I didn't have a lot to spend. But now I've really just changed everything that I've learned, so I'm going to be deleting all the old content that I put out there and showing you my new business model. So that's just an update of where I am right now. It's early 2019, and it's early in the day so far, so I might get more conversions today. I also want to go over a few channel updates. So here are my 2019 channel updates. So update number 1, I'm back on YouTube. Like I said before, I've been out for 4 to 5 months, just really grinding every day, investing in a lot of training courses. Another reason why I wasn't was because I graduated from college and I was debating on getting a marketing job. I spent a lot of money on my education, and I thought maybe I should get a big boy job, get into the marketing world. But then I just thought to myself, I was like, I don't want to work for someone. I want to be my own boss. And I know I have the skills to do that, so I'm back. I also realized that I needed to go all in with affiliate and CPA marketing, so I invested in high ticket training courses and learned a shit ton. Oops, I was supposed to bleep that out, my bad. And now I want to share what I've learned with all of you guys. update number 2. This is huge for those of you who already purchased my Bing Ads training course. The new update for 2019 will have way more information on tracking with ClickMagic, how to build landing pages with ClickFunnels. I've also recently went all in with ClickFunnels. They are the best landing page creating software that I've ever used. I used to use InstaBuilder 2.0. Looking back, ClickFunnels just blows that out of the water. I'm going to be going over choosing winning offers and, most importantly, deep diving into tracking statistics. When you track your campaigns properly, you will find your winning keywords and you can separate them from the bunch and exact match, and you'll find the profitable countries, statistics on how long the customers spent on your landing page before they went to the sales page. Just all this data is so important, and I often overlooked it back in the day, but I invested in all those trainings, and tracking was the number one thing that I needed to change. And lastly, I'll be using ClickFunnels instead of WordPress for hosting my training course. ClickFunnels has a very nice membership option. And obviously, when those of you who purchased my Bing Ads training course, I told you will be getting updates for free, no extra costs. So those of you who are already bought the Bing Ads training course, you're going to be getting the new updated version free. So that's good. And then update number 3, I had to delete my previous videos just because my older content related to getting 5-cent clicks. And that's just not my business model anymore. Now I'm more willing to spend $30, $50, $1, $2 per click because I've been tracking and I know which keywords that I can bid $1 on and still get 400% return on investment. So the 5-cent business model, I'm sorry guys, but it's out the door. I mean, it is still possible, but I changed my business plan. And this, like I've said before, this is something that I've learned after investing in many training courses. I learned that the higher cost per click that you can pay equals the more impressions, clicks you will receive, and in return, the increased conversions and return on investment. So this is my huge business model right here. This is what I'm living by. And as you can see, it's paying off. So this week, made $2,000, spent $800, $1,200 week, So you gotta... One thing that I've also been doing in the previous 4 to 5 months, I've been reading a lot of books related to marketing. And my favorite one is .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. There'll be a link in the description. And he is just a marketing whiz. And one of his famous sayings is, whoever can pay the most to acquire a customer will win. And that is so true, because when I was paying 5 cents per click, my ads were showing, the average position was anywhere from 4 to 10 on Bing Ads. I was still getting 5-cent clicks. But after learning from Russell, whoever can spend the most to acquire a customer will win. Now I'm bidding, like I said, all the way up to $1, $2 for a click, and because I know my return on investment per keyword. So I learned a lot from Russell, and I really recommend that you read his book, .com Secrets. He's got a bunch of other books out there. I've only gotten into .com Secrets already, but yeah, you should definitely check that out. So that's it for my updates, and 2019 is going to be awesome. I'm going to be going all out in 2019, so stay tuned and let's start making some money online. So that's it for this video. For those of you who aren't subscribed, come on, hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Let's start making some money. Alrighty, see you in the next video. Peace. Yeah.